And welcome back to the show. The Paralegal and Legal Studies program at Bronx Community College focuses on developing students' knowledge about the origins, the content, and consequences of law policies. Their program is accredited by the American Bar Association and assists students to think critically, identify as well as solve practical, intellectual, and ethical problems, and then communicate their views effectively, orally, as well as in writing. Here now to share a little bit more is the licensed attorney and director of Paralegal and Legal Studies program at Bronx Community College, Nikole Knight, and also a candidate of Paralegal and Legal Studies certificate program at BCC, Maliyah Graham. And welcome both to the show.
Thank you. Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning. And then I will start off first with you, and we'll speak first to Dr. Knight. Tell us a little bit about the program. Obviously, an opportunity for students to really enhance their field, enhance their career working in the field of legal.
Yes, our Paralegal Studies program, as you said, is accredited by the American Bar Association. We have an AAS degree and we have a certificate program. The AAS degree is a little bit longer course to graduate. The certificate is 30 credits. Depending on where you want to go with it will depend on whether you choose to go the route of the AAS degree versus the certificate. What we try to do is to train our paralegals to enter the field of law as paralegals. Of course, they're not attorneys, they're not licensed, so they cannot practice law. They will be assisting attorneys in the jobs that they do in terms of going to court, filing documents, assisting with regard to clients. Of course, they don't take the lead because they're not licensed attorneys again, but they will be interfacing with the clients as it relates with the attorney and the job that they have to do for the clients.
Yeah. And Malia is in the certificate program, and welcome, Malia. I wanted to ask, what was it that made you decide that you wanted to do this for a career?
This has always just been like a dream of mine since I was younger, to be in a law field, whether it's being a cop, whether it's a lawyer, whether it's paralegal. So anything with law, I've just been interested in.
Yeah. And what have you learned so far through the program?
So far, I've learned like how to, navigate during the court system. Like I've been like a court navigator before. I've done paralegal interning. So it's just like a lot like hands-on. So I'm getting a lot of hands-on training with it.
Yeah. Dr. Knight, for people who are, just learning about this program, it is an entryway into the court system. It is an entryway into a career in the legal world. Talk to us about BCC and that opportunity for students to be able to choose this path.
Well, with regard to Bronx Community College is a great institution. Let me start off with, and it's not just because I work there. The campus is very diverse. We have supportive faculty and administration that helps students to try to navigate with whatever field that they're going in. With regard to the paralegal program, what we try to do is really give students that academic and substantive, as well as that professional grooming that they need in order to be able to enter the legal field. And I think that the greatest part of our program is, one, the fact that we're accredited by the American Bar Association, which kind of heightens our stability in terms of what we're offering the students substantively. And I think that the fact that we offer an internship, which allows them to actually get the field of actually being a paralegal before they actually enter the field, I think that's really, really important. So the combination of the staff, what we're offering them substantively, as well as the hands-on in terms of the internship quality. We get anywhere from work doing clerks with judges. We have students that have worked at the ADA, legal aid, corporate firms. We've done that as well, and we still, of course, do that. And I think that makes for the program to be really well-rounded and prepare our students for what they need in terms of going forward in the legal field.
Yeah. And Malia, for you, obviously having that hands-on experience, right? Working and getting that on-the-job training, share with me what that experience is like for you, being able to do that.
It's been a wonderful experience and it still is. And I just love how, like being that it's hands-on, I'm getting like firsthand treatment of how, things go in the court system. So it's given me the opportunity if this is like something that I truly want to pursue in life, or is this just something that I'm doing for right now? And the experience has just been great.
So here comes the big question. Is it something that you want to do for right now, or is it something that you want to continue to do?
This is something that I would definitely continue to do. I love everything about it.
I
I,
see.
I appreciate I appreciate Dr. Knight for everything.
And Dr. Knight, I mean, when you talk about this, students like Malia, they come in, they take advantage of the program, and now they see that this is a career that they want to do. And I think for you, that's got to be a good feeling to help somebody to actually parlay into that.
It's an amazing feeling. I mean, I love when my students come back to me and they say, being at BCC was great, but I love what I'm doing right now because I'm actually in the work world. I love watching them grow as they enter BCC from where they start, and then when they graduate, see how far they've gotten. I mean, I look at Malia right now, and I remember when she first came to me in terms of she was in the criminal justice, and she graduated from that and then turned around and decided to do the certificate in the paralegal studies. And I mean, she's always been on top of her game. She's always been sure that of what she wanted to do. And I mean, seeing her now develop and grow and engage and do that hands-on, I mean, I see that she's going to go really far, and she's going to just be one of the top in whatever she decides to do in the legal field, of course.
Right, because we heard that. We heard that she's going to do the legal field. So, Malia, congratulations. How much longer before graduation?
I'll be graduating in December of this year from the certificate program.
That's awesome. Well, I want you to keep up the great work, and I want to thank you for being with us here on the show, Malia, and also to Dr. Knight. Thank you for the great work that you're doing, training students and helping them find that career path. Thank you both.
Thank you.
Thank you for having us.
All righty. Well, we want to let you know now, if you want more information, we encourage you to do us a favor. Please visit their website. The website is bcc.cuny.edu. Again, bcc.cuny.edu. Special thanks to Malia and also to Dr. Knight. Well, we've got more show. Don't go anywhere. We're going to continue. Open will return right after this.